Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to request for a quick insurance verification for your patients. First, you need to left-click on the patient you need quick insurance verification. Now click on PatInfo button. You will now have this pop up on your screen. You will notice the insurance part to be loading as it tries to quickly verify the insurance eligibility of the patient. You can also view the PDF view of the brief insurance information for the patient. You just need to click on the imaging module on the left-hand side of your Open Dental, Practice Web, or Easy 2000. After clicking on the imaging module, you can now see the insurance folder and the recently dated PX insurance benefit PDF, just like what is shown on screen. And that is it. You are now able to quickly verify insurance for your patients. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.